Welcome back to NextGen Mobile, your go-to source for the latest in mobile innovation. Today, we're diving into one of Samsung's most daring experiments in smartphone design, the Samsung Galaxy A80. A device that aimed to challenge the conventional, it brought something completely different to the mid-range market. Design and display. The Galaxy A80 stands out with its all-screen, notch-free design. Thanks to the motorized rotating camera, Samsung eliminated the need for a separate front camera, allowing for a seamless 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display. With a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, it offers vibrant colors and excellent viewing angles, making it ideal for media consumption. The rotating camera mechanism. What truly sets the A80 apart is its innovative camera system. Instead of having separate front and rear cameras, the A80 uses a triple lens setup that flips forward for selfies. The 48 megapixels main sensor, 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 3D depth sensor provide versatility in shooting, whether you're snapping a landscape or a portrait. While the mechanism is eye-catching, it does raise concerns about durability over time. Performance and battery. Under the hood, the A80 is powered by the Snapdragon 730G chipset, paired with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. It's not flagship level, but it delivers solid performance for everyday use, multitasking, and even gaming. The 3700 mAh battery supports 25W fast charging, which keeps you going through the day with ease, though the lack of wireless charging and a headphone jack might be a downside for some users. Software and features. Running on Samsung's One UI based on Android 9 Pie out of the box, the A80 offers a clean and intuitive experience. Features like Bixby, Samsung Pay, and Knox Security are all included, adding value to the user experience. However, software updates may not be as frequent compared to Samsung's flagship models. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy A80 was a bold step by Samsung, aimed at standing out in a crowded market. Its rotating camera was innovative, the display was immersive, and the performance was respectable for its price point. While it may not have aged as gracefully as other models, it remains a memorable device in Samsung's A series lineup. Thanks for